Hey guys, Monkey with the Monkey's Man Cave here, going over my latest project. It's just the start of one, so bear with me, but basically there will be a piece of plate up here. This is not the piece. I actually don't have any. I need to make a trip back out to K&K Surplus. That's where I buy all of my used steel. Great guys out there, cheap prices. Basically it'll sit on there like that. It'll give you a hint of what it'll look like. It makes it easier to shoot this way too. Basically what I've got is I've got a table that I can position at any angle. Anybody who's welded any kind of weird shape had to jam their body into a weird position just to physically be able to weld something will appreciate the thought behind this. It'll allow me to position whatever position I want. So say I want to stop it at that position. Go through, snug down the 4 bolts. And it won't move. Now it will be bolted down using a receiver hitch to my fabrication cart that I'm going to be going over in another video. Now to go over the pieces parts. Pick these up at Ace. I'm not real sure exactly what they are as soon as my camera focuses. Basically this is a 1/4-20 thread. This piece has a flathead on it for whatever reason, I'm not sure. And over here I just took and welded in the all thread to where it met my need as a little handle. If one of my readers could tell me the exact intended purpose of those, that would be great. But either way, they're handles now. Okay, so again, what we do, snug it down to whatever angle we want. Obviously, you hold it in place and you use one hand tying them down, but that gives you an idea. I mean, you can see my hammer rocking and rolling back there. What this is a bearing raceway that has been repurposed. So basically the bearing would go where this bolt goes through normally, but it's a bigger opening I've filled in. This piece rides inside of a little channel. I don't think I could show you now, I can't, but it's basically just the opposite contour of this on the inside, and I've got a piece of pipe on the outside. The pipe drilled just fine. I will tell you that if you do choose to go this method and you choose to use a bearing raceway, I've seen this same method done with like bowling balls, things like that. This is what I came up with. I'm into this whole piece as of right now, about $6. So I definitely recommend taking a look at it. And on the bottom side there, I just went ahead and finished somewhat of the circle up on that bearing raceway. That way, if I get any funky angles, it's got a better chance of holding. Again, if you are going to drill this, what you need to for these to physically go through and push up against this, it is hardened steel. You will need a carbide drill bit. Just remember when using those, slow and easy, lots of lubrication on that, and you won't fry your drill bit. With those drill bits, you're going to want it to last as long as you can because it takes a healthy chunk out of the wallet picking them up. I was able to find one of them locally through E&G Terminal. Gotta give a shout out to those guys. Contact me if you want their information or just do a Google search for them. I'm not sure if they do any shipping, but great guys down there. Definitely helped me out several times on several projects. Let's just go over this once again. Loosen those up. And that guy. And then you can move it at whatever angle you want. You can twist it around, anything of that nature. Now, again, this will be bolted down. It won't be on a piece of wood. It will be on a piece of metal to my workbench, and I'm going to go over that. Stay tuned to monkeysmancave.com. Like us and follow us on Facebook as well as YouTube. And within the next couple of weeks, I'll be rocking and rolling on some new projects. Keep you excited, keep you interested, and we'll go from there. As always, thank you for watching.